Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Smart Scorers. So our today's topic is P block elements. Guys, I know this is a very big chapter and many of us will just skip this chapter. But you know how easy it is? It's literally very easy. So to know how it is very easy, you need to watch the video till end. So as usual, I'll say you the whole weightage of this chapter, then how it is allotted, and what are the questions that can be asked from each type of marks. So here you have some compulsory questions also. That means these questions are surely going to come. So please do watch the video till end without any skipping. Hi guys, let's get started. So the total weightage of this chapter is 9 marks. So how is it allotted? It's 3 plus 3 plus 3. So you have continuous 3 markers. So and here 1 3 marker is a compulsory question. Like what it is, you'll see at the end of the video. So please do watch. So otherwise, this can be divided into other 2 or 3 markers. They are divided. It can be 1 plus 1 plus 1, or it can be 1 plus 2. And 1 we have a compulsory 3 marker. So first let's see what is a 1 markers that can be asked from this chapter. Okay, these are mainly the reasoning type questions. So I'll say you some questions which are frequently asked. Why nitrogen doesn't form pentahalide? So these are kind of reasoning questions, and since it is for 1 mark, you can just give it in one sentence. Okay, the second one is dinitrogen is inert at room temperature. Why? Very simple answers. So yeah, you need to find the answers. But if you can't find the answers, then do comment in this video. I'll try to give most of the answers in this. Okay, now coming to next one. Why is ammonia weak base? So again, this is also a reasoning type question. Next one is why concentrated HNO3, that is nitric acid, is strong oxidizing agent. Again, all these are reasoning questions as I said before, 1 marker, so only 1 sentence. Next we have equations of phosphorus halides. So we have many equations in this chapter, but the major equations, the very important equations, what I meant to say is phosphorus halide equations. So I hope you have 3 to 5 equations, so it won't be such difficult to remember 5 equations as such. Next, coming to next one, ozinoid oxygen. Here they can ask you the definition or the equation. Equation is very simple here. Then reactions. What kind of reactions you'll have? You'll have reactions on ammonia or NaOH, that is sodium hydroxide. So you can have reactions on any of these two. Then one more thing is aqua regia. So here also it's the definition. Then last one you have again equations of xenon chloride compounds. So I think here you have 5 in that. The last 4 are very important. Okay, now let's see what are the 2 markers that can be asked from this chapter. So 2 markers are anomalous properties. Anomalous properties, frankly speaking, they are very simple and very straightforward and very important also. So you have many compounds here. So which compounds anomalous properties are more important? We'll see that. So nitrogen, oxygen and fluorine. Only these 3 compound anomalous properties, if you know, that's more than enough. The next part is oxo acids. Again, you have oxo acids, you have like for all the compounds, but in that also you have only 3 compounds which are very important, that is phosphorus, sulfur and halogens. Again, in sulfur you have many compounds, but there sulfurous acid, sulfuric acid and oleum is the most important one. So this is all about 2 markers. Now if we come to 3 markers, we have the processes here. So you have Haber's process. So what can be asked in that process is, they can ask you the conditions, they can ask you equations, or they can ask you the flow chart. Then you have Ostwald process or contact process. So all these are very important processes. So this is all about the chapter P block elements, and the compulsory question comes from these 3 markers, what I said in last one, that is the processes. There will be compulsory question out of these 3, any one is compulsory. So at least you can aim to get 3 marks at least from this chapter, and these are very simple processes, just 3 line answers if I say it in brief. So this is all about this chapter, and if you like the video, please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.